Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at dividing integers. If you've seen the previous grade 8 fraction videos, that'll really help you in this lesson. So when dividing integers, the sign of each integer is important. And there are four possibilities. Positive number divided by positive, positive divided by negative, negative divided by positive, and negative divided by negative. And so we're going to take a look at each of those possibilities right now. So first, positive divided by positive. So 15 divided by 3 is 5, since 3 times 5 is 15. Right? If we divide it by 3 like that, answer is 5. So positive divided by positive gives positive. And we're going to sum up this in the end. So positive divided by negative. So positive divided by negative gives negative 5. Since negative 5 times negative 3 gives 15. Right? If we divide by negative 3, what's left is negative 5, like that. So positive divided by negative gives negative, like that. Next, negative divided by positive is negative, since negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. Right? Negative 15 divided by 3 gives negative 5, like that. So negative divided by positive gives negative. And last case, negative divided by negative. So negative 15 divided by negative 3 is 5, since 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. Right? If we're dividing by negative 3, what's left is 5, like that. So negative divided by negative gives positive. So let's look at a summary here. So in summary, positive divided by positive is positive, positive divided by negative is negative, negative divided by positive is negative, negative divided by negative is positive. All right, so if they're the same, it's positive, and if it's different, it's negative. So this is the same as multiplication. It's the same summary if you saw that video. So example 1, 6 divided by negative 2. So one of them is negative, so it's negative. Negative 25 divided by 5. One of them is negative, so it's negative. Negative 8 divided by negative 4. Both are negative, so it's positive, like that. Negative 49 divided by 7. One of them is negative, so negative 7. 16 divided by negative 4. One of them is negative, so it's negative, like that. So practice number 1. There you go. Go ahead and pause the video and perform these divisions. Okay, we're back. So 14 divided by negative 7, negative 2. One of them is negative. One of them is negative, so it's negative 14. Both are negative, so it's 2. One is negative, so it's negative 1. One of them is negative, so it's negative 2. And both are negative, so it's positive 6, like that. Okay, so let's take another look at when it's negative divided by negative. So let's say negative 7 over negative 4. We're going to rewrite that as negative 1 times 7 and negative 1 times 4. Right? Anytime you have negative 4, you can rewrite it like that. And so what we have here is we're going to separate this multiplication so that it's separated. Negative 1 over negative 1 times 7 over 4. Right? If we saw the multiplying fraction video, right, we multiply it together, but we can also separate it like that. And so negative 1 over negative 1 is 1. And so 7 quarters times 1 is 7 quarters. So what we have here is the demonstration of canceling negatives. So here we have negative 7 over negative 4. We can go bang bang on the negatives, and what's left is 7 over 4. So it's not magic. I just showed you where it comes from. If it's a multiplication as such, we can go bang bang for the negatives to be gone. So another note, you probably saw this in grade 7, but just a reminder, negative 7 over 5 or 7 over negative 5, or negative of 7 over 5, these are all the same thing. So there's one negative either on the top, bottom, or in front of it. These all represent the same value. Okay, so example 2, simplify. So 18 over 3 can cancel that to be 6. So we got negative 6 there. There's only one negative. Negative 25 over negative 15. Negatives cancel out. Bang, bang. The 5s cancel out. Bang, bang. What's left is 5 over 3. So that's our final answer there. C, negative 12 over 4. Negatives cancel out. Bang, bang. 4 is in common. Bang, bang. What's left is 3 over 1, which gives 3. Negative 18 over 24. So we notice 6 is in common. So we go bang, bang. What's left is 3 over 4. So negative 3 over 4 is our final answer. Okay, so your turn. Go ahead and practice. Here we go. So perform these simplifications. Okay, we're back. So we have negatives cancel out, bang, bang. We have a 3 in common, bang, bang. What's left is 5 over 3 as such. 30 over negative 40. So we have a 10 in common, bang, bang. So 3 over 4. Negative remains, so it's negative 3 over 4. Negative 50 over 75. We have 25 in common, bang, bang. What's left is 2 over 3, and the negative remains, so negative 2 over 3 like that. Negative 12 over negative 30. Negatives cancel out, bang, bang. What do we have here? 6 in common, bang, bang. So what's left is 2 on top, 5 on the bottom. So 2 over 5 is our final answer. Okay, example 3, more complex simplifications. So here we have negatives that cancel out here and here, but there's still one negative remaining. We have 3, 2, and 6. These cancel out. So what's left is 4 over 5 as such. Okay, looking at our next value here, expression, we have negative 1 over negative 1. That cancels out like that. 8 over 4, 4 cancels out. So what's left is 2 and 1. So we have 2 times 3 equals 6, and 1 times 7 equals 7, like that. Okay, C. Negative and negative, so we can cancel those two out. So there's one negative left. 3 is in common here, bang, bang. What's left is 5 on top. 7 in common here, bang, bang. What's left is 7 on top. So we have 7 times negative 5, negative 35, and then 1 times 1 on the bottom, which gives 1. So negative 35 is our answer. Okay, and lastly, we have these two negatives cancel out, and then these two negatives cancel out, like that. And so we have, what do we have? We have 30 and 9. The 3 cancels out, bang, bang. What's left is 10. We can cancel out with the 4 here, bang, bang. What's left is 2, and what's left is 5. So 3 times 2, 6. 5 times 1, 5, like that. If you're having troubles following, go ahead and watch my fraction videos, and it'll really help you out if you're struggling following with these simplifications. Okay, so here's our practice number 3. So go ahead and perform these simplifications. Okay, let's do them together here. What do we got? So we got negatives canceling out, bang, 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 so it's only positive. 4 and 2, bang, bang, 2 on top. So 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 1, 1. So 6 is our final answer. Here we have negative cancels out, bang, bang. 5 and 10, we can cancel out the 5s. What's left is 1 and 2. So we have 7 on the top and 2 on the bottom as such. 80 times negative 2 over negative 4 times 15. So this is a big one here. So we're going to cancel out 2 from the 4 like that. Cancel out 2 there. What's left is 40. Cancel out the 5s. What's left is 8 and 3 like that. So 8 over 3 is our final answer. D. Negative times negative. That cancels out. What's left is one of the negatives. 2 and 2 cancels out like that. 3 and 3 cancels out like that. So what's left is negative 1 over 4. And that's it. It's that easy. So I'll see you guys in the next lesson.